Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Corolla touchscreen. Let's start with some quick and easy troubleshooting steps. First, try a soft reset by pressing and holding the power button on your infotainment system for about 10 seconds until it reboots. Sometimes, a simple restart of your vehicle can also resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your screen is clean. Dirt can affect touch sensitivity. If a soft reset doesn't work, we can try deeper solutions. A hard reset involves disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal for at least 10 minutes. Always consult your owner's manual for specific fuse locations and amperage ratings before checking the infotainment system's fuse. Lastly, a factory reset through your system settings can often resolve persistent software issues, but remember it will erase your personalized data. Sometimes, the problem lies with physical connections. You might need to carefully remove the head unit from the dashboard. Once exposed, inspect all wiring harnesses at the back to ensure they are securely plugged in. Look for any signs of damage or corrosion on the cables. Also, check the delicate ribbon cable connecting the screen itself, making sure it is properly seated and not pinched. If you've tried all these steps and your touchscreen remains unresponsive, it might be time to seek professional help. A certified Toyota dealership or an automotive electronics specialist has specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint complex internal hardware malfunctions. They can determine if you need a digitizer replacement, which can cost around $25, or if the entire head unit requires replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.